Maraming salamat, UIC Davao Girls Choir, para sa inyong magandang awit. And at this point, we would like to acknowledge the presence of our Honorable Mayor, Sara Z. Duterte. And now, to do the honor of presenting the members of the Dato Bago Board and the Dato Bago Award 2012 Search Committee, may we call in Judge Renato A. Fuentes, Trustee of the Dato Bago Board and Dato Bago Awardee 28. Please, Judge Fuentes.
Thank you. Our beloved City Mayor of Davao City, Honorable Inday Sara Duterte Carpio, and I notice we have here tonight our very reverend Archbishop of Davao, Fernando Capalla, and other city officials of Davao City who are present. The task assigned to me this evening is easy but significant. It is my pleasant opportunity to introduce to all of you this evening the officers and members of the Board of Trustees of the Dato Bago Awardees Organization, otherwise known Davao. They are men and women of distinct and excellent qualification, chosen as distinguished citizens of Davao City on different years, whose life, character, and accomplishment contributed their modest service and their simple capacities to the growth and development of Davao City. The first to be introduced is the chairperson of the board, the perennial moving spirit and sole inspiration of the board in all its actions and decisions, Mother Maria Assumpta M. David RBN, Dato Bago Awardee 1998. Excuse me, stated here in my, that was furnished 19, so I correct 1988. That was 10 years ago. Well, next in line is the vice person, a very attractive and never tiring person, Honorable Dr. Pilar C. Braga, City Councilor of Davao City, Dato Bago Awardee 2003. Correct? The board secretary, aside from performing administrative functions of the board, does not say no to any assignment, a very active and always on the go, Dr. Marina Bilio Robibar, Dato Bago Awardee 2008. I cannot make a mistake now. The treasurer of the board, well, she has an Oxford English accent, whose ideas is always sought in case of controversy, Dr. Maria Iris A. Melgisa, Dato Bago Awardee 2002. The internal auditor of the board has a keen skill in auditing, always ready in all angles of proficiency, a living legend of historical analyst in the development of Davao City, Dr. Julian P. Rodriguez Jr., Dato Bago Awardee 2005. Now, the Board of Trustees. Number 1, Mrs. Patricia J. Montemayor. She came from a prestigious family in Davao City. Dato Bago Awardee 1994. Another board trustee whose gentle voice always finds solution to many problems of the board, Dr. Rizalina Mitra Pangan. Dato Bago Awardee 2006. Another board trustee, a retired judge, but not tired, Honorable Apolinario B. Berwasa. Dato Bago Awardee 1998. The last but not the least, board trustee, also a retired judge of Davao City, but also not tired. Yours truly, Renato A. Puentes, Dato Bago Award 2008. It is my singular privilege likewise to introduce to you the members of the search committee, Dato Bago Awards for 2012. Their selection and assignment in a very difficult and challenging function of the board requires not only an exceptional intelligence and analytical mind, but unwavering courage. To support the selection process, most often are contested, but ultimately prevailing and consistent in the exercise of the strict rules and regulation of the selection process in the most objective considerations. The chairperson already introduced is strict and uncompromising Dr. Maria Iris A. Meliesa. Co-chairperson, very consistent and competent medical practitioner of Davao City, Dr. Maria Luisa L. Aportadira. Well, she is out of the country, sorry. Miss Carmelina Francia, member of the committee. Other members of the committee are Dr. Rosita B. Fondador, Miss Proctusa Alma A. Olivo, Dr. Rosalina Mitra Pangan, Dr. Marina Delio Robibar, member and secretary of the committee, and last, a thorn among the roses, retired judge, Honorable Apolinario B. Berwasa, member. I did not miss anyone, so thank you and good evening.
Thank you, Judge Fuentes. And now we would like to present to you our guests. First, our dignitaries, city officials, of course, led by our Honorable Mayor Sara Z. Duterte. We also have Pilar C. Braga, Councilor of the First District. We have Jimmy Dureza, Emmanuel Galicia. We have also Berino Mamboo, our representative from the IP in the City Council. City government heads of office who are here are Loripe Alahar, City Librarian. OIC, City Agriculturist Office, Leo Avila III. Head of the CSSDO, Maria Luisa Bermudo. Josephine Villafuerte, City Health Officer. Chief CIO from the media, Alex Roldan. And other guests, we have Head of Course, Maria Fe Maluloyon. The UIC Chorale, of course, we heard their voice. We have Franco Ricarte, OIC of CITC. Melanie Braga Porcino, Chief of Staff, Councilor Braga's office. We have Dr. Ruel Corsino, Dentist Sons-in-Law, Councilor Braga, of course. We have also Winky Thompson and Nelia Napalit. They're my guests, by the way. And Alex Roldan, PDI, DILG. Uruan Abasolo, City Information Office. There are also representatives from SMART, Sunstar. Jean Gulanes, OIC Manager, Davao City Rehabilitation Center. Representatives from ABS-CBN Davao, K9 Davao, Bombo Radio, Durian Post, and other dignitaries. We have the Director, Consul of Japan, and Kazuhiko Anzai, and his wife, Hikuno Anzai. We also have the Consul General of Malaysia, Muhammad Ajar Mazlan, and other representatives from Manila Times, the City Information Office, Ms. Lorna Mandin, OIC, Integrated Gender and Development Office, and from GMA Davao.
We're very happy to have with us the past awardees, and we'd like to recognize them. Please rise as your name is called. The Dato Bago awardees of 1969, Guillermo Torres, Senior, represented by Julieta R. Torres, Denise. Dato Bago awardee, Antonio Uy. Dato Bago awardee, Francisco Villa Abreli, represented by Attorney Nonoy Villa Abreli. The Dato Bago awardee of 1971, Sebastian L. Angyongto. Dato Bago awardee of 1975, Carlos Miliete, represented by Mike Soledad, the son-in-law. Dato Bago awardee of 1982, Aida Rivera Ford. Dato Bago awardee, Romualdo Quinpo. Represented by Mary Ann Quinpo, Denise. Dato Bago awardees of 1983, Dato Bago awardee, Jesus G. Doresa. Dato Bago awardee, Edna T. Quinpo. Dato Bago awardee of 1985, Victoria Beltran. Dato Bago awardee of 1986, Victorio and Jean Edades, represented by Cho Consonhe, the cousin. Dato Bago awardee of 1987, Teodoro Palma Hill. There, represented by Ma'am Perla Palmahil. Thank you, Ma'am. Dato Bago awardee of 1988, Maria, of course, Mother Asunta M. David. Dato Bago awardee of 1990, Leopoldo Abiliera, represented by Erlinda Magbanwa, the daughter. Dato Bago awardee 1991, Sister Cecilia Wood. Oh, it's good to see you, sister. Dato Bago awardee of 1992, Mariano and Remedios Pamintuan, represented by Mary Jack Pamintuan, the granddaughter. Dato Bago Awardee of 1996, Carmen Locsin, represented by architect Michael Dacuda. Dato Bago Awardee of 1998, Apolinario Veruasa. Dato Bago Awardee 1999, yours truly, Rose Soledad. Dato Bago Awardee 2000, Agnes D. Locsin, represented by architect Michael Dacuda. Dato Bago Awardee 1996, Charita Puentespina. Ma'am. Dato Bago Awardees 2001, Jose and Mamerta Ebro, represented by architect Michael Ebro. He's presenting many. Dato Bago Awardee of 2002, Maria Iris Miliesa. Dato Bago Awardee of the same year, Fructuosa Alma Olivo. Dato Bago Awardee 2003, Pilar C. Braga. Dato Bago Awardee 2004, Bernardo N. Fernandez. Dato Bago Awardee 2004, Salvacion Lowenberger. Dato Bago Awardee 2005, Julian P. Rodriguez Jr. Dato Bago Awardee 2006, Ustads Mahmoud Mala Adilao. Also, Dato Bago Awardee of 2006, Rizalina Mitra Pangan. Dato Bago Awardee 2007, my co-MC, Macayo Chio. Dato Bago Awardee 1988, Mr. Vicente Albay, represented by Mrs. Susima Albay. Dato Bago Awardee 2011, Prosecutor Antonio Arellano. Dato Bago Awardee 1994, Patria G. Montemayor. Patria, that's right. Sorry, Patria. Okay. Sorry.